What is up? This is going to be what is that? Backtesting video and see what I missed this week and maybe I don't know. Yeah, that's about it. And this is that video and let's get it done. I think I can actually still replay my charts, and if I could actually do it, I would be posting a video, or if I don't, I don't. Yeah. But still ain't go fucking stop. Yep. I can actually do it. So let's just pretend that we are actually backtesting it right now. But yeah, I'm not gonna actually do it. But this is what I'm gonna do. Yo, I haven't shared my screen yet. The fuck this color, bro? All right, damn. It's too pink. Yeah. Anyways, so what is it? What is this? A liquidity sweep. When did it happen? After market opens. So we got a liquidity sweep. We got another liquidity sweep up there. And this gap is going to be a imbalance in any time frames. We got a 5 minute fair value gap now. We got this one over here. Let's just point it out. So once price comes into that fair value gap, bro, holy shit, man. All right, not a big deal. So, anyways, right around here, we got the first entry. So we got this inversion and some liquidity sweeps right around here, and we got this inversion right here. We can actually target this, and that's the only potential moves that we can actually look into this thing. And we got this. If you're actually like really into like chain state delivery trades, like just like me, or else I'll go to 30 seconds time frame and just find it out. And we probably might have an inversion in this uh price action, but yeah, we don't have 30 seconds. We don't have back. I mean, we don't have replay session either. But yeah, this is the trade. So we could actually enter right around here. That would be one position. And we can have the stop loss around here. Probably target this low, which is body open. So easy target. Probably 1 is to 2.6, which is a pretty good risk to reward ratio. The reason why I have the stop loss around here is that stop loss should always have to be on the first candle of the fair value gap. So if I have my stop loss above here, what is this then? So this is actually a 5 minute fair value gap. So that's the reason why I have about the 5 minutes fair value gap, which is also turns out to be a lower time frame swing high. And yeah, basically, so that's the reason why we enter right here and then close the position. That's always going to give you a good take profit zone or anywhere. Like it is what it is. Like literally look at it. We got this candle close and open. So that's the last thing that we can see that we should see actually. Like look at that. Price came down and exactly sweep that. It is like mandatory. It is going to happen. Like if you're targeting this, that's where actually you get break even or stop the down and the profits. But when you actually target the candle closers or even openings, literally look at the price, bro. Like it's respecting it. Like even this one, I'm damn sure that the price has swept it. Literally look at this now, bro. Oh my God, bro. I can't even like breathe. So yeah, basically like an A plus setup and reason like literally look at this. So that's the reason why I always like to try. I mean, sometimes I used to do it, but sometimes I don't. So it's not a problem. But yeah, I have to actually follow these things, follow these rules, like wait for a liquidity sweep. Nothing crazy, just a liquidity sweep and just a liquidity sweep, and then 5 minutes fair value gap, high time fair value gap, and then we got a lowest of time frame, which is 30-second inversion, probably around somewhere here. Or this is the fair value gap entry, change state fair value gap, and targeting the next liquidity. So wow, this is absolutely awesome. And also this is turns out to be a market open low. Market opens right around here, just in 930 candle. So we got a low and that's protected and price came back down, swept it. And look at this all the way to the break-even point, all the way to the break-even point. So you can actually have another setup right here on 30 seconds, probably an inversion. Okay, bro, come on, man. I think oxygen level is like literally low at this basement. Okay. So I actually caught this move. Me personally, like I woke up late around somewhere here. We got a 5 minutes fair value gap right here. I guess we got a 5 minutes fair value gap based on my knowledge, based on my remembrance. Yeah, we got the 5 minutes fair value gap. So yeah, that was my initial goal, and I was like actually targeting this as always. I was targeting this, and when I go to 1 minute time frame. Like, come on, man. Every single time, bro. Every single time I have to drag it down to all the way to Monday. Damn, bro. So, what is this? SMT, probably SMT, or if you don't care about SMT, this is a 1 minute fair value gap and it's holding. Maybe probably that's a manipulation move with this candle. And yeah, probably this is an inversion and probably price. People who thought that price is gonna go all the way up there and sweep that high, or probably this high, this high, this high. That's the clean trend analytic, by the way. But yeah, anyways, like this is it, right? Like, what do you need more, bro? What do you need? Like, wait for the confidence, wait for the change of state delivery, or an inversion of this 5 minutes fair value gap. The 5 minutes fair value is clearly respecting right here, and yeah, this is also an auto block, probably like low time from break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. We got multiple confluence to go bearish, right? So once I saw this inversion, once I got a clean market structure shift or change in state delivery as in this situation, so we got a change in state delivery right here, and also we got a fair 1 minute fair value gap, which is an A plus setup. So waited for one more confluence, it's an inversion. Any time frame I would have taken it, any time frame, probably 15, 30, any time frame, I would have taken it. And yeah, that's what I did anyways. So I marked out this and I thought the price is gonna go up now. Um, but yeah, we got this inversion right here. Probably you can enter after the change in state delivery to get more confidence. And look what the price did right after. And literally look what's the price did. What did the price do this? We can actually take partials right here and probably target this. And that's what I did. Let me show that. I think I have a screenshot of it probably. Time is 12:43 and it's -5. -5, they were 29, 29. Yeah, I didn't actually journal it after that. Literally, look, what did I do? Oh, come on. What did I do here? nothing. Waited for the liquidity sweep, but which didn't happen when we also got a 1 minute fair value gap, 5 minutes fair value gap. We got this inversion. Boom, done, 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 done for the day, bro. I could actually targeted that, but who cares when you actually hit your take profit? So yeah, which is crazy. After this done, probably price go much lower and sweep out all the lows that we initially um the initial trade. So if you have the patience to wait and sit around, wait for the price to come back to your break even and then go back up and take your take profit, well, you're a legend, by the way, if you can do that. I cannot do it. So yeah, and and I believe that I can actually do it. So some days, maybe in the future, who knows? So we comes Tuesday, basically nothing, literally nothing. We got a London high right here, probably Asian high. Asian high will be somewhere around here. Asian consolidation, take down, and boom, done. Asian low has been taken out. Uh, Asian high has been taken out by London kill zone. And we got a clean price action right here before market open. We got a clean trend line liquidity right here, one, two, and that's not a trend line liquidity, by the way. But we got some internal highs and external highs. So basically, so what external highs? This is external low. This is internal high, internal high. We got everything up there, right there, right there. So we got everything right there, but we still took out this low, and clearly you can actually see price literally went up, swept out internal high, came back down, sweep London low, and then we got a price action going up. So which is actually awesome. So what is the one solid setup that we can have here, right? So that would be a question. And I would say this is actually a solid setup. This is actually a solid setup. Reason why price came up and came down, sweeping market open low as well as London low. So we got a clean chain of state delivery right here. And then okay. And then we got another clean chain state. We could have actually entered right here, targeting what do we have on the left? Probably this can close or maybe there. We could actually do it, but basically that doesn't actually gonna give you a lot of things. And yeah, we got a change. We got clear sell entry right here, like which is an A fucking plus setup. So we got a high that has been swept by market. I mean, new obsession. So we clearly having a change in state delivery right here, and also inversing two fair value gaps, the clean momentum right here. So basically, what we can do is that we can wait for the price to close below and then come back. I mean, wait for the price to come into the fair value gap, or if you wait for it and you would have probably missed out on this movement, that's where you capitalize. And bro, like, what's this? I actually entered right somewhere around here, which would be this. Yeah, how my stop loss around this high, which is the candle that got inversed. So the candle high is, I mean, candle close or open or anything. You get the deal, right? So we got this, and that's where I actually keep my stop loss every single time. And what is the target should be? This could be a target. What is the target? This is the target. So we clearly have a 1:2.454. So price clearly doing this thing, and I was actually got out right around somewhere here, I guess. So that's my entry, that's my move, and I got out as soon as possible. Oh my god, I want to go to my mom, bro. So that's my move, and we clearly have a one is to 1 point some ish. 1.54, 1.54. Let me show the execution. execution. Literally, look at this, bro. What up? What up? That's my move. That's my move, bro. I entered right here. We got trailed, and literally, I was trading so clever, bro. Wow, this was my start. This was my take profit. And, nice. So I was selling for the price to come back down here. That's the first trade to break even, one win trade. That's it. So yeah, basically that. So we got three trades on that particular day. But turns out to be a profitable day, by the way, bro. Not joking, wait, let me show you guys. That's fancy, right? Look. Oh, was it Tuesday? Tuesday, man, yeah. Tuesday was a break-even day. Wow. I don't even know, bro. But that was an awesome move, to be honest. Like awesome decision to actually go break even, actually stop trading. So we lost the first trade, second trade, third trade. That's a big loss. Wow. And that's a fourth trade. So we actually closed today at break even. And obviously coming back next day, 31st of 2025, which also turns out to be profitable. So first trade was a $200 win. Second trade, that's basically a stupid decision. Third trade was right around here. We got 4 minutes in, 1 hour, and I spent 1 hour to make $200, which is crazy, bro. Which is really crazy, but we did it, bro. We did it, man. Turns out to be a profitable day. And also on Friday, Thursday we don't have market. Friday was absolutely a banger one. And I want to actually encourage myself to actually do this thing. But look, so first day $200 loss, second day another $200 loss, which turns out to be $400 loss. And for third trade, we probably made some profits on it. Yeah, after that, again, we lost $69. And on the fifth and final trade, I know for a fact that the price is going to drop. That's where I entered 345. I am actually sad that I actually didn't hold the trade. If I would have held the trade, I would have made a lot of money. But yeah, that's not gonna last. So if I would have actually hold that trade, I would have probably made a lot of money and then lost more this day. I am dead sure. My confidence would have been like, wow, I'm the best in the world, like shit. Type shit. So yeah, fuck it. So this was a trade. And actually we don't have any potential there. We could actually enter right here, but that could be entry, but that was out of the kill zone. So we don't actually trade out of the kill zone. So yeah, that's how it is. And coming back to Wednesday, I don't even know what I did. Damn, bro. I'm actually not. Oh my God. I should never come back here again. It is whenever I come here, that's when I cough. Whenever I come sit here or whenever I come to basement, I'm coughing a lot. It's never like this outside. It's never like this in the hall. But when I come to basement, I'm not coughing like shit. Like a patient, brother. Okay, fuck it. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I? So we got Wednesday, right? So that's 31st, which is Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. That is where I mean. So let me just cleanly explain the stream. We got a clean liquidity sweep after market dumping from the open. And we still got like some highs right here, which is like a 50% of this whole move. And that's where the 50% relies on. Like, let me just modest thing. So we got the 50% acquired. So price actually retraced to 50%. Why did I take this trade? We got a liquidity sweep and we got a 1 minute inversion. That's right where right around that's where I actually fucking took my trade with three contracts and having my stop loss as always. The inversion candles open or the close. And that's when I entered. The price was going up and forth. We got nothing on it. I thought I'm gonna get stopped out, but look, we turned out and we made around like what some $200 on this trade, and then another trade right here. Clear liquidity. We got clean liquidity down there. We got 1 minute, 1 hour fair value gap down there, and I know for a fact that the price is gonna drop down there. And after seeing this huge dump, and we probably got tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap and a 30-second fair value 30-second inversion, and that's where I entered my trade. That's a clean move, and I got stopped out right around here. Probably made around another $200 on the trade, I guess. So that turns out to be $300 on the day, which is right here, 347. And Friday, as let me just go back to trading because I don't actually like to explain the same trade again and again. So let me just. So why did I sell twice? So we got the internal sweep, we got this fair value gap holding, and we got 1 minute inversion right here. Let me just mark it out. I can't. So mark, and we got this 1 minute internal sweep after market opens. We got 1 minute fair value gaps inverse, and we clearly have London low, which is right here, and also midnight somewhere around here. I guess this is midnight open. So that's where midnight open relies. So I thought we got a clean entry, and I thought the price is gonna actually come back and take out this low. Eventually, wait. I should have waited for that trade. But yeah, look, bro, look, literally, look. We got the final take profit right there. This is thin line liquidity, midnight open. We got Asian low. Everything is aligned up, and this is an internal sweep. We are holding this 1 minute fair value gaps. We got a 1 minute inversion. What's there? What's wrong there, right? Like we probably might have entered right around here, having stop loss about there. That's going to make your risk a little bit higher. So I thought of doing the cleverest thing is that like this I had my stop loss there, and eventually I turned it to here, probably lost $200 on the trade. And then another one right here, we got this 1 minute fair value gap projection, and we got a 30-second inversion, right? I guess 30-second inversion, or probably, I don't know what to say. We got that right around here. So after that, I entered again, having stop loss about this high, and boom, you know what happened? I just closed it as soon as I saw this candle closed. Entry closed. Again, right from this candle, I ended up taking a buy position, having my stop loss below. Okay. So we got this London high. Boom. Take profit hit. And I guess the stop loss was right here. So because that's a good risk to reward, I guess. So not So 4 minutes probably made all the money back, all the losses back from the first two trades. This was my target, and I should have targeted this, but thought the price is not gonna do it. I thought the price is not gonna do it. So that's the reason why I had my stop loss up. I had my take profit at London high. Oh wow, bro, I'm actually slipping my mouth. Anyways, so this is a 1 minute, 1 minute, not 1 minute, like an external liquidity sweep. And we got a clear change in state of delivery right here. Also a fair value gap respecting, and the fair value gap, another fair value gap is getting inversed. So which is an A plus setup. That's where I got into a position. And yeah, let's so yeah, right around here. Right around here, we got the change in state delivery. And then we got the 1 minute inversion right here. So ended up taking my position right around that 1 minute bullish candle, having my stop loss about the recent swing high and having my stop loss take profit somewhere at the middle. I closed it. My take profit was midnight open, but I didn't let the price go and take it out. I ended up closing right around here, I guess. I don't even know why I did it, but I was profitable on the day, and yeah, that was a pretty nice trade. And one more thing, after the price coming back into this moment of fair gap, I ended up selling it again, and that's one contract. That's not a big loss, but got this 1 minute inversion, three contracts in, and closed it at the middle. And I was like, I felt so bad after missing out on this move, but it is okay. The account got locked, and I'm safe now. So that's about it. What's my projection going to be? Probably this high sweep. I want to see a sweep about this high, and then coming back, taking out this lows right here. So what I want to see is that price creating this, and London comes in, clearing out Asian maximum, all these things. Probably London consolidates a bit, and then like go back up and consolidates right there. And this is not a kill zone. And after that price consolidating, sweeping out this internal lows and then internal highs, holding on like that. Once market opens, it's going to sweep out this internal lows and then come back a little bit lower and manipulate everything. And it's going to have an inversion right around here, and it's going to go up, sweeping out this high, and then probably holding some fair value gap right here, and then coming back rejecting right around here. We'll be getting an inversion right here. Price gonna actually do it. That's what a price gonna do, nigga. So that's my belief, and let's see, we'll see. So basically, that's gonna happen tomorrow. I can clearly do it, but the thing is that can we trade that profitably? That's the key, and that's going to be revealed soon. In like 5 to 6 hours, maybe 98 hours. I'm bad at math, bro. Shut up. I don't like math. I hate my math teacher. She always hit me, bro. Fuck. And I don't even like hate her anymore. Like she's cool. Like she was actually doing her job. um, she was actually doing her job, and uh, I don't personally have any beef with that particular teacher, but one bitch fucking look at me now. That bitch, literally, like, bro, she is the most racist shit I've ever seen, bro. He is the most racist, racist bitch I've ever seen. Who shot money? Fuck you, bitch. Anyways, I'm sorry for that. Holy shit, I need to eat it, bro. Stupid. Adios. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, bro. Fuck. Why did I even say that, man?